Oh, we should go to the assembly before it ends.
Fuck off and kill yourself, please.
But no, honestly, Avery's girlfriend, she's a treasure.
Come on.
Oh, okay, we're not going anywhere.
Wait, what happened?
I don't think she's like in the assembly.
No, they're all there. They're all
Yeah,
there.
they're all there.
They're all there. It's just
Yeah,
like
but,
half
like-
of them don't do anything.
Drink, bitch, drink!
Oh, yes.
That didn't do anything.
Oh, fuck.
I did nothing for
I
I
that.
don't
not
encourage this.
No. Drink it and then jump up and down.
Daytona, USA.
Get shooken. You
What are
gotta
you
get.
looking up?
You gotta shake it up.
No, just Dayton said that, or the A is like shaded, so it looks like it says Dayton, USA, and then he's like, "Hey, I bought myself."
Wait, what?
That was much.
Oh, yeah.
Just keep going.
Dayton bought himself. Yes.
Oh, dude, I just want the good. I just want a big good one. Big good.
That's pretty good.
Beautiful.
Okay, wait, I know.
What's up?
Okay, so if you and me go to my house, then I'll have the pizza at my house. You can take the pizza. I'll go with Max.
Where am I going?
Oh, how does
with
that feel?
pizza?
I'm God!
Garrett's house?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're going to Garrett's house. Well, you don't have to go.
Wait, you want to see a magic trick?
Yeah, whenever Garrett gets home.
When is Garrett getting home?
You.
I caught some of it, I promise.
It's really gross. I love how, like, when someone drinks something, once it exits their mouth, it's instantly gross.
I'm sorry, everyone.
So what's the plan?
I don't know.
Diggy Bigo.
Yeah, dude.